Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find trending sound music on TikTok in 2024. So guys, make sure to stick around till the very end to completely understand how to discover the latest and the most popular sounds for your videos. So I'm going to show you two ways guys, so simply follow along. So for the first one is go open up your TikTok, and from here just tap on the plus icon or the create button down below. And from here, you can either upload or take a photo. So it will be depending on you. And from here, just tap on the add a sound at the top. And from here, guys, you will see the magnifying glass option on the middle right. So just simply tap on that. And from here, guys, you will have an option here, discover more sounds. So tap on discover more sounds. And from here, guys, as you can see, you will have here a playlist category. So from here, guys, you can choose a TikTok viral over here or the US Hot 50. So it will be depending on you. And from here, guys, you should be able to see the viral music of TikTok when you tap on TikTok viral. So let's go ahead and tap on TikTok viral. So guys, from here you should be able to see the top music on TikTok right now. And from here, just simply select from top 1 to 12 because this is where you will potentially get more viewers. So just simply go stay with the top 1 to 10 category. So in order for you to select it, just simply tap on it and tap on the check, and from here, as you can see, it will apply into your post and you'll be able to post it. So now for the second method, guys, is just simply go ahead and just simply scroll down. And when you find a music that is appearing more frequently, you can just tap on the icon over here at the bottom right, as you can see, and after that you'll be able to add it to story or use the sound. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.